Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Today we are talking about the manners of sneezing. The Prophet ﷺ told us, when one of you sneezes, he should say, Alhamdulillah, which means all praise to Allah. So whenever you do, you say Alhamdulillah, then your brother or anyone around you should say, Yarhamukallah, Yarhamukallah, which means, may Allah have mercy on you. May the mercy of Allah be upon you. You say Alhamdulillah. Anyone that is hearing that should say Yarhamukallah, and then the person that sneezes will reply by saying Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum. Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum, which means, may Allah guide you and rectify your condition. When you sneeze, Alhamdulillah, they say Yarhamukallah, then you say Yahdikumullah wa yuslihu balakum. We don't jump step. Anyone that sneezes and did not say Alhamdulillah, you should not tell that person Yarhamukallah. You can tell that person say Alhamdulillah, but you don't jump step. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum.